So you have 9 of them, and they're going to be $5,000 a count. You got to keep vehicle or other place sold drugs, $1,000 misdemeanor first degree. Burglary, unoccupied conveyance, unarmed, 19 counts. Currently no bond. All 19 will be set at $5,000 a count. Conspiracy to commit grand theft, $5,000. Conspiracy to commit burglary of a conveyance, 20 counts. Those will be set at $15,000 a count. Unlawful use of two-way device, 20 counts, $5,000 a count. Petty theft, 19 counts, total of $4,750. That's $200, $250 a count. Possession of cannabis, $1,000. Possession of paraphernalia, $1,000. Armed burglary of a dwelling or structure, $250,000 bond. Conspiracy to commit fraud, 10 counts. That is an F3, so $5,000 count.
Sorry, that's the F2.
That's the
Okay,
F2. Sorry, 10,000. I'm sorry, $15,000 count. And all 10 counts. Possession of burglary, total is 20 counts, $5,000 count. Grand theft, 1 count, $5,000. Fraudulent use of credit card, 3 counts, $3,000. Or $1,000 each. Unlawful possession of ID, 1 count, $5,000. Conspiracy to commit burglary of a conveyance, which I thought was the F2, but that's the F3.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, that one I'm changing to 5,000 instead of 15, okay? And unlawful use of two-way communication devices. Did I already address that? I will appoint an attorney to represent you, sir. I would advise asking any questions you may have to that attorney.
Do you know what my bond is?
I can't do that math that high. I wouldn't be a judge if I could. Take a step to your left. Yeah, I was gonna wait, sir. We need to place you in pretrial release with the same conditions as co-defendant. You're prohibited from having contact with the victim directly, indirectly, or through third party. Any of the victims listed in any of the reports. You cannot return to their house or the event locations. That's 500 feet away from those. You're going to have to be fitted with a GPS with house arrest conditions. At first, when you get out, they will put that on. And finally, you will possess no firearms, weapons, guns, and knives. Thank you. Have a good day, sir.
It's Your Honor.
The occupied conveyance, how much was the bond for each?
Unoccupied is F3, yep, that's 5. Thank you.
All right, next, Your Honor, Chase Moore.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Mr. Moore.
This is more with the arm.
Okay, Chase, Anthony. Sir, do you have an attorney?
What was that?
Do you have an attorney, sir?
No, no, Your Honor.
I will appoint an attorney to represent you at this time. I will set a bond after having read the police report finding probable cause. I will set that bond at $20,000. There will be pretrial release conditions. You will not have contact directly, indirectly, or through a third party with the victim listed in the case. or listed on any reports. You will not have any social media contact. And you will not return to the event location. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We have Robinson,
Depends on wave reading.
All right. Mr. Robinson, do you have an attorney?
No, sir.
I'm an appointed attorney from the Office of Public Defender to represent you. Review the police report. You charged at the attorney in here has waived the reading. Established probable causes contained in the reports. What does the state rise?
Yes, Your Honor. Based on the allegations, the state is requesting a bond of $100,000 with pretrial release conditions to include condition 16, 17, 22, 22A, 24, house arrest with GPS, and 25. Thank you, Your Honor.
Having reviewed the police report and finding probable cause, I will set that bond, at 100,000. I will also establish pretrial release conditions, which would put you in house arrest GPS monitor if you do bond out, and that you will not be permitted to have any firearms, guns, weapons, knives, or ammunition. And then it was 17, 22, 22A, and 25. Which are the special conditions that they will cover with you before you are released, all right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Next.
next would be Rodriguez Timothy.
So you're here from Warren out of county. Hold has been placed and they indicated they will extradite. So you will be brought back on 5/28/25 at 1 p.m. if you're still in custody. Except to your left. Good luck.
Sorry.
Vincent Rozier,
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Mr. Benson was there. Mr. Benson was there, Your Honor.
You're here on a trespass. There's a $1,000 bond previously established.
I can't pay the bond. I stay at a group home. I'm with the factory. Hold up, y'all. I'm listening. Mr. Rozier. It's a $1,000 bond.
And I had previously read the reports and found probable cause. Do you need me to appoint an attorney, sir? I'm guessing yes.
Yes, Your Honor, yes.
I will appoint an attorney from the Office of the Public Defender. Maybe they can get you back in for a bond hearing, but have a good day. Step to your left.
Donnie Smith,
Grand theft. Property.
All right, all right. We're back. We are back, if you will.
It
What's
looks
up?
like that. Yeah, that's what I was trying to figure out. And if he gets placed back on, he'll be placed back on pretrial release.
Pre-trial
Where's
release, you
the-
say?
Warrant.
I still haven't done the video yet. I'll let you. I should have the video up today. I want 20% of the sticker
The
sales.
judge can be directed that.
Did you see the brothel? Nah, I didn't see it. I haven't been on. Hey, what up? How's it going, Kale?
And what's that, F2? I thought it was. That's what I wrote down, but
Let me just take this out. My apologies.
Hey, what up, Jerome? How's it going? What up? What up? How's it going, Maribel Vasquez?
was VD's office previously appointed.
Yes, yes.
The further recount is an F2, Your Honor.
That's what I was thinking. All right.
Let's just check. It's a grand theft. Grand theft is an F3.
F3, you say? Where we at? We are in Polk County.
Grand theft dwelling.
Grand theft dwelling and between $40 and $750. Yes.
All right. All right, and then our good reminder said that at 5,000 instead of 15,000, you're beyond all other pretrial release conditions you previously were under. Sir,
Sorry, I
do you
couldn't hear
understand
nothing.
what those conditions are? Do you not?
I couldn't hear nothing you were saying, sir. The volume went out.
I said a $5,000 bond. You're going to be under all the pretrial release conditions you were previously. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.
So for the California one, that one already took place. It happened at 9 o'clock. I streamed it only on YT.
Stewart?
So if you want to watch it, you have to jump on YT to
Good
check it out.
afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, sir. Do you have an attorney?
No, sir.
I will appoint an attorney from the Office of Public Defender to help you. Charged with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 counts of felonies, second degree. The attorney waived the reading. Sir.
Thank you for that. No face. I haven't even had a chance to check it out, but I got to check it out.
That attorney when they come out to see you. State wanted to be heard.
Yes, Your Honor. Based on the rather concerning nature of the allegations, all the counts being a second-degree felony, the state is requesting a bond of $100,000 per count with pretrial release conditions that include number 16,
What up,
number
Billy?
17, 22, 22A,
What up, Stacy?
24 GPS with house arrest, and 25. Thank you, Your Honor.
Maricopa's at 11, so it's in 18 minutes? Yeah,
All
you're
right,
live.
sir.
What up, Sue? You look
I
mad.
previously
You
reviewed
look
the
mad,
reports
mad.
on probable cause. I pointed out a PD from the Office of Public Defender, an attorney from the Office of Public Defender, and I am setting bonds currently at 100,000 per count.
100,000 per count.
Yup.
And then you're going to be put on pre-trial release. You will be on an ankle monitor before you are released.
What up,
You
user?
have special conditions 16, 17.
Hey, send me the money,
16,
user.
17,
I mean, not
22,
user. Make money.
22A, 24A, house arrest conditions, and those PST conditions. Court attorney's appointments, medical appointments, award.
Hey, what did he do is the question.
Yes. And 25. No use of possession of computer or electronic device or the internet. Sir, if you step to your left, the attorney will be out.
Yes, sir.
Carmen C. Tigu? How do you say?
Hey, I like these. I like these from Polk County. Thank you, Pumpkin. Highly appreciate that. Here we go. Hey, that was on slow motion. What's up with his knees? Why did he
Good
have?
afternoon, Your Honor.
Why does he have gauze on his knees and no
Do
shoes?
you have an attorney, sir?
No, sir.
You have the means to retain one if you're released.
I'm sorry.
You have the money to retain one.
I don't think so.
What up, Raven?
Our appointed attorney from the Office of Public Defender to represent you. I'm setting bonds in the amount of $1,000 for each resisting without violence. These are both of them ones. And the battery on law enforcement officer is an F3, so that's 5,000.
Oh, that was going to prison.
And the escape count is an F2, so 15. Unprobable cause, those two each. Thank you, sir. You may step to your left.
Excuse me, Your Honor, I have an objection.
What? Objection?
I'm
Getting a
allowed.
bond?
No, sir, I just wanted to, I was ran over by the squad car. I'm just asking if I could get some kind of release to proper medical. I'm losing circulation in my legs. I have the same bandages on for about 3 days. They're bloody. I have open cuts on my legs and open wounds still on my legs that's burning. Every time I take a step, my legs feel like they're about to explode.
And I'm sure your attorney will be able to help you get a lower bond sooner. However, I'm going to ask you to step to your left and go to the medical dorm. Maybe they can help you out.
What? Maybe they could help.
Hey,
Jesus.
Thomas.
I laugh, but not. It's not funny. It's scandalous. My wife came over. She said I was being too loud. She couldn't close the door on me. This is no laughing matter. But hey, these are the type of situations you put yourself out there when you're out there on the street messing around, and you get them GTA. You get them 5 stars in GTA.
Eddie John, this is your charge. Well, the attorney in the room has waived the reading, but essentially you're charged with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 light felonies. State has filed a motion for pre-trial detention, which I think is well taken from some reports.
Hello, G.
Insufficient. I'm going to set this for a pre-trial detention hearing on what is the next pre-trial detention?
It'll be Tuesday, May 27th at 8:30. Monday's a holiday.
Tuesday, May 27th at 8:30. Until then, you will remain on no bond.
Hey, thank you for that
I'm
daily heart.
appointing an attorney from the Office of the Public Defender, and I've already found probable cause upon the review of the reports and affidavits. Have a good day, sir.
Nah, he's not asleep. He's awake.
Next we have.
Is that R. Kelly?
Collins.
Hey, thank you for that daily heart. Hey, what up, Stevie? He's old. He's so old.
Three charges of criminal mischief, 1,000, between 200 and 1,000.
What you say?
Pardon? Can't hear me?
No, sir.
You're charged with criminal mischief.
Okay.
All right. Do you have an attorney, sir?
No, sir. Your Honor, on this case,
There's
What I'm
currently
owing now?
$1,000 bond set. You don't want to get into details, sir. Trust
Okay.
me. I've done
Okay, well, I understand.
into this room. Now we've got
thank
it.
you, thank you, thank you.
Yeah,
Need
we
your bond work set.
want to hear the details. That's why we're here. We need details. As many as you can give us.
Good, and yourself.
Doing all right.
All
This
right.
is. Thank you.
What do you guys think this guy did
So
right
you're
here?
here on a hold out of Seminole County, which there is no bond, and the criminal wait, no. And driving while license suspended or revoked, which is also out of county, no bond hold. They will pick you up from Seminole.
Hey, Brando, I feel bad. Man, my heart goes out to you.
28th, or you'll be brought back to first appearance. Good luck, sir.
All right. Thank you, sir.
That's all we have in South County.
South
you.
County. All
All right,
right.
first up for Central, last name is McQuay, first name is Takesha,
Takesha McClay.
Tashika.
Tashika. What is it over here? Come on.
McQuay, M-C-Q. Last name McQuay. M-C-Q-A-Y.
All right. Let's get Takesha on the screen over here. I'm glad I'm in the UK. All right, so we got a full house right now, but they should be able to clear this.
Trespass charge. Do you have an attorney?
No, sir.
I will appoint an attorney from the Office of Public Defender. Your bond's currently set at $250. I'm gonna leave it where it's set.
It is, yep.
She should be able to bond out, but if not, somebody will be out to see you. Have a good day.
Next, we have last name Pierce, first name Shada.
Hey, this isn't the Shanshaw redemption right here. This is county jail here. They ain't gonna go nowhere. Look at that. If they do get through them windows, I'm pretty sure there's like a courtyard right there inside the prison or the jail.
Arrest, BOP for cannabis.
Thank you for that, Daily Heart. This is Florida. Yep, this is Polk County.
Paraphernalia, battery on firefighter.
That's my old charge.
Yeah, those are things that you're on probation for.
Hola,
Yes.
MJ. What up, Anita?
And BOP warrantless threats of death or serious bodily harm, BOP warrantless threats of death or serious bodily harm, BOP resisting, and additionally, we have a new charge, which is corruption by threat, which I will set a $1,000 bond at. I will appoint the PD to represent you on each.
That's it.
Thank you, Lolo.
And on probable cause as to each, so you'll be back on 624 if you don't bond out. Otherwise, you can try to make it over to the third floor.
But I'm a violation of probation. I have a question, sir. I'm a violation of probation. I still have a bond?
No, you don't have a bond on the ones your VOPs. You have VOPs on. Just the new charge.
Hey, thank you, Click.
How would I get a corruption charge when all I did was, because I left? Okay, I understand. Thank you.
So you left.
Next, we have last name Elliott, first name Brandy.
I didn't hear it.
I gotta start this stream up right now. I just got a violation. I'll be right back.
It's the last name. Last name Elliott, first name Brandy.
Once again, this is the Warren Hatta County. Grand theft, 750 to 5,000. Was there a bond set on the teletype there? Yeah, there was. That's it.
Everyone's innocent. Hell, you let them go home.
Looks like they set a bond for you of $5,000. With regard to that charge, if you do not bond out and go address the situation, they will come back and pick you up. If they don't pick you up and you're still incarcerated, you'll be brought back on 528. Have a good day.
Do I have a bond?
Yeah, $5,000. now.
Okay. Okay.
Next, we have last name is Coban, first name is Jessica.
Hey, they don't care here. Florida's probably one of the worst. Polk County is probably one of the worst courts I've ever sat in on, if you will. Hey, what up, lovely Gigi?
Ma'am, you're here on possession of paraphernalia and possession of methamphetamine. Possession of paraphernalia has previously been set at 1,000. Possession of methamphetamine.
Joe, thank you for that
has
daily.
been set at 5,000. And do you have an attorney?
This is Florida.
I will appoint an attorney from the Office of Public Defender's Office to represent you.
What up, Liz?
I'll get the bonds set where they are. Wish you good luck. Have a good day.
Vayas con
Next,
Dios.
we have last name is Soto,
Soto.
first name is Wanda.
Wanda Soto. Soto Juana. Watch out for La Veterana. They must earn millions in bonds. Yup. It's like 1 o'clock, or it's like 1:56, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I would never want to get in trouble, but never want to be in another county or country. That's right.
Maintain regular insurance, $250 cash bond, and their subsequent driving unsuspended license, $5,000 bond. Minnesota, you have an attorney?
No.
I I will appoint an attorney from the Office of Public Defender to represent you. Found probable cause after reviewing the reports. And, wish you good luck, man. I'll leave the bond set where it is.
Next up, we have last name is Chrome with a C. First name's Amber.
Amber Chrome. Was it Chrome? Hey, I will tell you this much. I don't miss being in courts like that. What? I gotta switch it up. I gotta start it all over again. Hold up, man. I keep on getting hit on the American account. It's all bad.
Describe you're here today on the domestic violence battery charge. Do you have the money to hire an attorney?
No.
Okay. I am going to set a bond at this time. That bond will be $2,500. It's going to come along with pretrial release conditions. Those conditions include no contact with the victim directly, indirectly, or through a third party, through social media or any other means. You have 48 hours upon the event or from being released from jail to return to pick up any personal goods such as medications, wallet, purse, clothes, that kind of stuff. And after that, you're not to have any contact with his residence, place of work, employment, or any other way. I apologize.
Damn, Taurus.
Firearms. And I believe that is everything.
What do you mean with? What kind of with are we talking about here?
Real quick, Judge Douglas, that last name Douglas, first name Emily, she bonded.
All right.
So next we have Securities with T. First name is Nicole.
Diddy was handling. Was he pounding? Was he getting the skin flute? No. Damn.
We had violation of probation here signed by Judge Cumby. It sets no bond. You have to return in front of Judge Cumby to get that resolved. But I will assign you, I believe there's previously been a public defender appointed to you, but I will assign it now for the purpose of the VOP. Thank you, ma'am.
Next we have last name is Goodwin with a G. First name is Sandra.
Sandra G. Damn, I'm have to. Oh man, I'm gonna take it down today. As soon as I'm done with this stream, that one's coming down ASAP. Can't be associated with none of that right here.
Good one.
Miss Goodwin, do you have an attorney?
No, sir.
Did you say yes, sir?
No, sir. I do not have an
Okay,
attorney.
I apologize. I will appoint an attorney from the Office of the Public Defender. Looks like bonds previously been set on these charges, creating or maintaining a nuisance injurious to health, 250, failure to obey, permanent comply with the law, 1,000, dump litter, private property, 500 pounds or more, 5,000, unlawful use, personal identification, 4 IDs or less, 1,000, and petty theft, first offense, 250. Those bonds will remain where they are. I will appoint the Office of Public Defender and I found probable cause. So you may step to your left, ma'am. Have a good day.
Hey, that's a good question you got there, Ella.
Barnett. First name Sierra.
Somebody took a hit on that baby oil, if you will.
You're on a warrant list.
There's going to be court.
On a VOP.
Arizona, there will be court.
Battery on a firefighter with a no bond hold.
Osceola.
From where?
Osceola County.
Thank you. From Osceola County. They will come pick you up. And
Not-
if they do not pick
not
you
in
up,
Arizona.
they will return and have you back here on 528. Have a good day, ma'am.
Thank you.
Next we have last name Williamson, first name Von Trees.
I don't know what a name would like Diddy, if you will.
Ms. Williamson, do you have an attorney?
No, sir.
The public defender has waived the reading of your charge. I will appoint an attorney from that office to represent you. The state attorney has just filed a motion for pretrial detention. And so you will be held for that hearing, which will be next Tuesday, is it?
Yes, Your Honor. Tuesday, May 27th.
Tuesday, May 22nd, to see what your status is at that time. PD will be present to help you. I reviewed the reports, did find probable cause, was within them. Have a good day, man.
And Your Honor, there should be no bond until that hearing.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, you got that.
Next is last name Stark, first name
Look at his
LaChris.
ball. Look at his ball. He shaved all his hair. He just wanted to.
I'm here on the warrant for several felony petty thefts. For BOP on petty thefts. It's a no bond warrant, so you'll be held in your brought in front of the judge handling that division.
They're laughing.
It is set currently for
Tuesday. Next Tuesday.
next Tuesday. Have a good day, ma'am. I'm gonna appoint the PD to represent you.
I have an attorney.
Oh, what's your attorney?
Her name is Allison Mitchell.
Put that heart again.
Okay.
For me.
And is she a private attorney?
Yes, sir.
You're gonna retain her for this case?
Yes, she's already retained her.
Oh.
I just don't have to know the certificate.
Oh, another heart.
Thank you. Or that's yeah.
24? Yeah. Oh, no, that's not bad.
Hey, thank you guys. Yeah, yeah.
I don't know. She's gonna hire her, I guess, because she doesn't have an attorney yet.
All right, nobody's filed any notice on your behalf yet, so you gotta make sure you get in touch with that person.
Yeah, she did.
And I will put that you will hire your own attorney.
Okay.
She has a private attorney on her new case in Winter Haven, Your Honor.
Oh, does she?
But not the VOPs, but she's got the hire.
Yeah, absolutely.
We're doing job
Thank you,
interviews. The jacket, I got it on
Next up I
eBay.
have is last name Hall, first name Mickey.
Hey, thank you, Debs. Thank you for that. Highly appreciate you guys that sent over the daily hearts. Highly appreciate that. How you impressed? How you impressed?
So you're down here on a felony warrant, possession of cannabis between or not more than 20 grams. It is more than 20 grams. There's $25,000 bond. There with prescription.
Where's she all happy for?
bond. Failure to
$500 bond. Not 25.
oh, thank you. $2,500 was the first one, not $25,000. I apologize. And then there's the $1,000 bonus to paraphernalia, $2,500 as to the
This is Polk County, Florida.
last count. Ma'am, if you bond out before this, you can go over to Hillsborough and
I was incarcerated. It was why I missed my court date. Y'all had me here. I would have went to court. I'll go to court every time, but y'all had me here is why I missed my court.
and as far as the legal charge goes, does she have an attorney?
Yes, I do.
They don't even care.
A lawyer.
Were they planning on being here today? Do you know?
No, he didn't know that I had court today. He's gonna be there when I go to court in Tampa for this charges right here. He's gonna be there because I assigned him.
Regional counsel, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yeah, we discussed it yesterday that I'm gonna use him because he got me yesterday, released me from the charges here. So I'll be using him for this case right here.
All
I
right.
just need to
Well,
get
but
out to
at
my
the
kids.
moment, all I can do is assign the bonds that were placed on the out of county
What up, Taylor?
warrant.
What up,
paid
City?
that.
Charm 81.
I paid the bond already. I just missed court because I was in here. I had court on the 20th and I was arrested on the 17th. And that's why I missed court.
Ain't nobody care about none of that.
If she made a bond on the local charges, Your Honor, that means she's available for bids up in Hillsborough.
Yeah.
That's probably what happened.
Oh, okay. And now if she bonds out on these, she can bond out. Right. Yes, you should be able to bond out at this point.
How
If you
much
still
is it?
left.
What up, Danny?
That's enough.
Oh, you see how much it was?
Hire their own attorney.
Bro, we can't really.
Oh, well, that's
Hey,
true.
thank you. What up, Pocahontas? Where you been at?
Session of drugs without a prescription.
Yeah.
Hey, lovely. Thank you for that
Do you know
heart.
how much my bond is? Because I just paid the $2,500 and was released, and then y'all picked me up. I have kids. I have
Two bonds for 2,500.
We all got kids.
A total of 6,000. Good luck.
6,000.
We have last name Gibson, first name Melissa.
She ain't going nowhere. Up next on The Price is Wrong, we got Melissa.
This is knowingly driving while license suspended or revoked as a habitual traffic offender. The bond has previously been set at $5,000. Ma'am, do you have an attorney?
No.
I will appoint an attorney from the Office of Public Defender to represent you. I've previously reviewed the citations, found probable cause. And have a good day, man. Step your left.
Next, we have last name Jones, first name Tamara. She's the add-on.
Come on down.
Help me out with that one. That was
Jones.
Yeah.
It's Premier.
The add-on was just an add-on charge or because?
We got the add-on for first appearance today, so it shows an add-on for first appearance.
To the Miami-Dade charges for
That's it.
for instrument.
Yeah, I see that. Call for agency when you're ready to be picked up. So you'll be held for Miami-Dade to come pick you up until 5/28.
Wait,
At
hold
1
on.
p.m.
I've been here since last week. They came last night. They would not take me because they said the person on the warrant is not me. I've been here since the 13th. This was my day to come back, and they hadn't came and picked me up. But they did come last night. I was transported over to the booking center. I waited there for 7 hours, and when Miami-Dade County got there, they said they would not take me because it is not me.
They don't care.
You can either look into that, Mrs. Collins, or whoever is pointing to her. Obviously, we don't want somebody sitting in jail if they're on a hold for somebody that isn't them, but.
My principles for the record, my request obviously would be she's under oath. I would ask for her at this point if we could get some documentation, but I don't think I have a way to check that.
She looks like Tasty from Orange is the New Black, or the New Black.
Email classifications to see if they have any information.
Please. We're emailing classifications now, ma'am. We're gonna pass this for a moment.
Okay.
Last, we're gonna have his last name is High Jazz, first name Myra.
Myra Hijack.
Jaz. Thank you. This is a petty theft first offense, 25 mm 3843. I'm gonna set a bond for $500. If pre-trial and placing pre-trial release conditions, you will not return to that Walmart or any Walmart for that matter. You understand?
This is job interviews.
The bond was $250.
We're doing job interviews. And this is in Florida for Amazon,
Until just now, you didn't have one.
Kmart, Walmart, Target, you name it.
What they told me. Okay.
I just
Dollar
gave you
store.
$500 bond, and I'm setting it for pre-trial release, where the only real condition is to
Circle
call in and
K.
not to
What a whiskey.
stay away from Walmart, not to get in any further trouble. Thank you. The public defender will be appointed.
Are you talking about California or here? These say job
First
interviews.
up for Mills, last name is Brewer, first name Jason.
Hey, what do you guys think this Stu did?
So you're charged with possession of methamphetamine.
Oh, snap.
Do you have an attorney?
Oh, sure.
I will appoint an attorney from the Office of Public Defender to represent you at this time. However, you have two open cases, 25 mm 2813 and 25 mm 2803, which you were bonded out on at the time of this offense. So I'm going to revoke your bonds on those two cases and set this bond in the amount of $5,000. Thank you.
It looks like we got a tough guy on the chat. Thank you for that daily heart. I see my future
Next
ex-husband
up,
in
we
there.
have last name Chapman, first name Paul.
Glass skin flute. Hey, what's up, Mercedes? Hey, I haven't seen you in a while. Where you been?
You're on hold out of
Brevard County.
Thank you. Judge Brown has signed it yet.
Hey, thank you, Linda.
County.
And they would extradite. And they know you're here. So they're either going to come pick you up
Damn, Grandma.
by the 28th. And if you're still in jail, we'll bring you back here to discuss that at that time. If you're not picked up by the 28th, do you understand?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day, sir.
Next up, last name Downing, first name Jason.
Josh.
Josh.
Thank you for that daily heart. And if you haven't done so, please do so. Hit that follow button. It's free 99. Don't be a Mr. Krabby Patty. Don't be a Scrooge McDuck. James, do you do Chicago? Nah.
Okay.
Hey, thank you for that daily heart, Alinda.
Contact information. Yeah. And there's a bond set with it. APS that was issued was for $5,000, so we're gonna leave that the same, but it had pre-trial release conditions. Those conditions included.
Thank you. Damn, James Florida can't afford the other half of pants.
Yeah, well, I'll add some pre-trial release conditions that you will not have any contact with the victim named in the offense report.
Hey, where's everybody tuning in from? If you guys wouldn't mind sharing.
Donald Smith.
Hey, thank you, Linda.
So when you are released, you don't have to have any direct or indirect contact with Mr. Smith, all right?
So yes, sir. I won't have no contact with nobody.
Damn, Riverside,
And the
Maryland,
direct
upstate New
information has
York,
previously been filed.
Live Oak,
He
Florida,
was previously appointed, and I set a $5,000 bond, so you can have a good day, sir. Should be able to find
Boise,
out.
Idaho, Arizona, North Hollywood, Riverside, Los Angeles, Australia, Kentucky,
Next up, we have
Bronx,
last
Germany,
name Gibbs, first
Canada.
name John.
John, all right, John is up. What do you guys think John did here? What do you guys think Stu did right here? New Orleans, Iowa, Bay Area,
You're here
area.
on a domestic violence touch or strike charge, sir. Do you have an attorney? Are you planning on retaining one?
Not at this time. I don't.
Appointed attorney?
Yes, sir.
Appointed attorney now is the public defender. I will, at this point, set a bond, $5,000. You're gonna have the DV pre-trial release conditions, which are you will stay away from, not have any contact with any victim listed in any reports. You will not go to their home, school, place, work, or place of employment at any time. You have 48 hours on release to return with local law enforcement to retrieve your own personal health items
Thank you for
such as
that, Daily Heart.
medications, clothes, papers needed for work. You will
Kayla's
not
coming in
possess
from
any
Florida.
firearm, guns, weapons, or ammunition.
Sir, my,
Understand that, sir?
I believe it's 10% if you go through a bail bondsman. If you
she has went to her mother's home. I'm currently in the apartment still.
And if that can be verified, that can be changed with pre-trial release, but at this time, I don't see that on. Was there anything on there? No. Yeah, we don't have any information to that effect.
Okay.
Thank you.
Next up, we have last name Hamilton, first name Josh. True up.
She's not here. I could tell you that much. He's gonna be up in New York. MDCA. Thank you for that galaxy. I think it is right there. Bubbles. Thank you,
You're here
Patricia.
on Warren out of county from Hillsborough, I believe.
Yes, sir.
Is this
Failure to appear
live?
the first appearance hearing. Was there a bond set?
Hey, nah.
$10,000 to $5,000 account.
This is AI generated right here.
If you bond out, you can go down there and straighten this out. If not, they're gonna come
Polk County.
down, pick you up by the 28th, or we're gonna bring you back here and decide, you know, we'll see if they haven't picked you up yet.
What up, William? AI is amazing, right?
Have a good day, sir.
We're living in the future now.
Next up, we have last name Sloan, first name Jesse Ray.
Jesse, what do you guys think Jesse Ray Sloan did? You good? Hey, I'm good. James, this is not real. This ain't real.
Misuse 911.
Miss
Previously bond has been established at 1,000.
new GTA Vision DB. Jerome.
Yes, sir, it is.
You need an attorney, sir?
Say it again, I can't hear you.
You need an attorney.
I do need an attorney, yes, sir.
It is Polk County. Yep.
Is that better?
But I do also can still bail out. This is my first time being in this situation, right? I can still bail out? Okay.
Yeah, you'll be able to bail out. It's going to set a bond right now, if I hadn't already, 1,000, found probable cause, and appointed to PD. Thank you.
I just want to say, I just want to say it in front of you guys. I tried to call 911 first, but the other person as well. Okay. So that's as well. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Have a great day.
He's a cop collar.
We have last name Thomas, first
He's
name
a cop collar. This sounds absurd. They beat him to the punch.
You're out of Warren, out of county with the no bond hold
My life's peachy.
and the pending local charge. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. So when you get the pending local charge cleared up, they're gonna pick you up. Otherwise, once it's cleared up, then there's set a date for either come get you or we're have to release you. All right.
So what happened to the other charge, the charge that I have, the grand theft charge?
Grand theft, you say?
You bond out
And what?
on the local charges?
Did you bond out of the grand theft local charge?
Hey, what up, Renee?
Yes, I believe so.
Because if you have, then we're set a date to bring you back. But can you tell me if he's bonded out?
Well, there's a closed case and then there's the WAOJ case that we can. What's the closed case in? It was no pros. Scroll.
Hey, no, you're right. America is a.
Oh, is it no bill by the state? So
You got to stay on your
So
toes
that's why.
in
Okay, so
the U.S.
Available for, we should probably put it on the, bring back date on the.
Yeah. So, but he can be picked up or brought back on.
Thank you for that, Daily Heart.
28.
John.
Doesn't feel like he has doesn't look like you have local charges anymore. State.
For a different case, when the court's ready to recall Tamara Jones, I have a response back from classifications.
Okay.
Nah, this is not real,
Are
Carl.
you done with Mr. Thomas, Your Honor?
Yes, thank you.
All right, Ms. Jones coming back.
Lee County, I've never looked it up. Is it any good?
All right.
We almost got 800.
Jones, we got a response for classifications. What is that response?
That's not funny,
They did
right?
confirm that Jaime Day did
Unbreakable.
come, but they didn't take her because
Hey,
she
Carl.
didn't match what they had.
Welcome. I love people from the
So,
UK,
but she
from
told the
Britain,
court appears to be the same
London.
information that classifications has.
So she
I wish it was LA County. Nah.
I'll leave that to the court's discretion, but it's probably appropriate.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna
San
RR
Joaquin
on
County,
that.
Florida.
Both charges.
Lee County. Okay, I'll look up Lee County. This is Florida.
ROR with a bond sheet, no. Yeah, it's the whole Biddy County.
Polk County. Is this
So you'll be able
real?
to get out today, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you so much.
Kent, London.
All
All
right.
right.
Next up
We
have
can't
last
hear
name
you because
Venegas,
you're
that's a
talking.
V.
Is that
Osborne, First
right?
name Omar.
Hey, don't forget to hit that follow button. It's free 99. What do you guys? Oh, this guy is super young. What do you guys think this whippersnapper did right here? Super young. Hey, what up, Christy G?
With a V.
Let me out today.
Talk back to his mama. DV Dev stole some shit.
EGAS.
Hey, you could. Yeah, that is true. You can never know, Patricia.
Got it. We got two carry concealed firearms.
Hey, I will,
counts,
Blake.
Possession of paraphernalia, cannabis possession, 20 grams or more. Do you have an attorney?
No, sir.
I will appoint an attorney to represent you.
He got caught with a
With
pipa.
regard to the two carrying concealed firearms, that will be $5,000 each.
5,000 for a pipe and for some reefer.
Possession of paraphernalia is going to be 1,000. Possession of cannabis over 20 grams is 5,000.
Drogas is it? Yep.
And I did appoint the meeting.
Yes.
Have a good day, sir. Step to your left.
Next up, we have last name Cockrell, first name Williams.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon.
Oh, and he had two pew pews. Okay. Free the homie. What do you guys think this outstanding citizen did? Bro, I'm invested in this channel. I watch it all day. Thank you. CBR 1K. Hey, thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate it. It's free.
Warrantless arrest. EWLSR, which appears to be a new charge.
Hey, that youngster, he was
going to set a bond at 5,000.
Hey, that youngster was straight going Halo 2 on us right there with those two straps.
Yeah. I was going to ask, do you need me to appoint an attorney, sir?
Yes.
I appoint the Office of Public Defender to represent you with regard to the two warrantless BOPs.
Thank you for them daily hearts.
I think that was
I didn't even have to.
What you say? Two what?
local violations of probation.
Compact,
Oh, it's interstate compact?
5-day hearing on next Wednesday.
All right, and do I appoint on that?
You can,
Yeah,
yes,
I'm gonna appoint a public defender to help you with that too. You're having a 5-day hearing next Wednesday. Have a good day, sir.
Okay.
Next up, we have last name Costiogla, first name Thomas.
Hey, they don't mess around Polk County. That's the one that has that sheriff, I think, Judge Grady,
Yeah.
that he be putting everybody on blast.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Jamel. I'm sorry.
This is legal use of streets, panhandling, $250 bond, sir.
Illegal use of the streets?
Stagli, the COST.
COSTAGLI.
Panhandling?
There was $250 bond previously established. Sir, do you need the help of an attorney?
Yes.
I will appoint the outspoken defender to help you.
You have to appoint Ms. Cheatwood on those.
Hey, hopefully they start locking up everybody that panhandles
Is there another one?
on
There's a few
TikTok
people on that
that
list,
begs
right?
for money.
Was, but he's currently working for the GyroLamb, so it may just be Miss Cheatwood.
Oh, Mr. Brent.
Let me hold $1.
All right. I will appoint an attorney to represent you. I'm not exactly sure who. I have to appoint the PD originally because
It'll just be a written order by Your Honor, but we'll.
Hey, I don't beg for
give you the
anything.
order To remind you. To appoint
okay,
Ms.
please, that's
Cheatwood.
the order.
To appoint Ms. Cheatwood.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir.
All right, we're getting an attorney for you, sir.
When's my next court date?
Hey, thank you for that daily heart.
Date is 6/6.
Hey, what up, Jonathan? Why?
Next up, we have last name Dave, first name Carlos.
Hey, Brent, thank you. Highly appreciate you. They probably did a sting operation on him.
A violation of injunction for protection. Instead of buying at 5,000, sir, do you need an attorney?
Nah, this is not real. It's
I will
AI
appoint an
generated.
Attorney from the Office of Public Defender to represent you. I would note, however, you do have an open case and you're currently on pretrial release in case number 24CF11322. And I'm going to revoke that pretrial release based on this new charge, Parker versus State. So you'll be held no bond until you're returned in front of that judge. Have a good day, sir.
Good day to
Next
you,
up, we
sir.
have last name Diaz, first name Jamel.
Illegal use of stickers. That's right, Mad Dog 2020.
Yes, she is.
I can't stop watching.
Jamaiel, you got a count of
Hey, thank you,
financial
Brent.
responsibility law and driving while licensed, on a license from another state currently.
Driving with a license from a different
Each
state?
one of those are set at 250. Do you need an attorney, sir?
No.
Look. I will appoint an attorney from the Office of Public Defender. You should be able to bond out. I wish you good luck.
Thank you.
Vayas con Dios.
Next up, we have last name N finger with an E, first name Jason.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Good afternoon, sir.
That's crazy. Driving with a license from a different state. Make that make sense. Holy, that's my uncle.
Yeah, warrantless VOP.
Hey, thank you, Linda. That's right, Linda. Yeah. Definitely give us a shout out here if you ever end up here.
Let's make sure we send one over there and we'll bring him back by 5:28.
Is
If
the
you're
audio
still in
real?
custody, sir, like I did with the other lady, I'll let you out if they don't come pick you up, but you get a chance to pick you up.
Yeah, normally it's like
English
30
is that,
days.
sir?
Excuse me?
He said, could you repeat it, Your Honor?
Yeah, I said you were arrested in warrantless arrest the other day. They have time to come pick you up. So they got a teletype to let them know you're here. If they don't pick you up by 5:28, we're gonna bring you back. And if, there's no good reason, they can be released at that time.
Hey, that's crazy, Lauren. Florida just passed a new law that out of state licenses is the same thing as not having
Next up, we
one.
have last name is Lovett, first name Benjamin.
Benjamin Lovett? Whoa.
Yeah, this is the other one I think you asked about.
What do the ladies call him?
Prohibition of public camping.
Yes, sir.
I guess we won't be visiting.
Public camping is $250 bonds. Review their paperwork. Looks substantially sufficient. I'm going to appoint a county attorney to represent you.
This is Polk. Yep.
You will get. I will send that out, and she should be able to see you shortly. Thank you.
Might as well be $1 million.
Last name Martin, first name Cairo.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. How are you? You're here on FTA petty theft.
FTA is failed to appear. He didn't show up to court.
Probation in Tallahassee. Warrant set at a $1,000 bond.
Nah, Ricky or Nikki, this is not real. This is AI generated.
This time I will
Thank you for that, Mila.
put the $1,000 bond in there. You have an attorney, sir?
So that's not true,
Yes, sir.
actually, about the Florida out-of-state license. I'm gonna look it up.
There. And probable cause established by the warrant. Good luck, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Next up, we have last name Moore.
Hey, why not?
First
Welcome
name
from
Brandon.
Paris.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, I've had my Rio ID for like 10, 12, 10, like over 10 years. I've had a Rio ID. I got it when my state initially started offering them. I fly too much not to have a Rio ID and a passport. I brought the receipts. This one brought receipts, laughing out
He's
loud.
Anthony Moore.
Do you work in the courts? Nah, I don't.
Brandon Moore.
Brandon.
Does he have
All
a
right,
statement?
Domestic violence, statute strike.
Why?
If released on bond, will be put on DV conditions. Those conditions include staying
Hey, DJ,
away
have a
from
good one.
the person listed in the report, as well as having no contact with the victim in any report, directly, indirectly, or through third party. Do not use, possess firearms, guns, weapons, or knives. Stay 500 feet away from the event location.
Hey, don't forget to hit that follow button.
Victims home one time within 24 hours. If this is.
Can you stop talking? I can, but I'm probably not gonna do that. That's pretty rude of you to say that to me here. If you don't like it, you could scroll up.
But stay away from the defendant's, the
It's Florida.
alleged victim's house. You understand?
Yes, sir.
There's no reason to be there for you.
Hey, what up, Nuggets? Hey, why not? Thank you for the follow.
And the bond will be in the amount of 5,000.
Thank you guys for the
Have a good day,
follows.
sir.
You too, sir.
Next up, we have
I'm
last
gonna
name.
appoint the PD to help you as well, sir.
Hey, what up, Scrappy?
Thank you.
Next up, we have last name is Butler. First name is Thomas.
Hey, what up, Megs?
Afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon.
The toilet means that they did something awful, like beat their partner or did something
This is
to
a
kids.
DV prior conviction.
Why?
We're gonna grant you a bond set it at 5,000. But I'm going to leave pre-trial release. You stay away and have no contact from the victim. Do not return to the home for any reason, place of work or school of the victim. You would not possess any firearms, guns, weapons, or ammunition while this is going on. Stay 500 feet away from the event location. You will have 48 hours in which you can return back to get any medications you need, any clothes you need, or anything of that nature. But you're going to have to stay away for a little bit until your attorney can get that changed. Do you need me to appoint an attorney?
Not sure, Your Honor.
If you're not sure, I'll go ahead and provisionally appoint one. You have to fill out the application, but you're always free to hire another one.
It's me, Mario.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
What up, Mama?
Yes, sir.
Hey, straight. Thank you for that
Next
daily
up,
heart.
that last name is Ramsey. There's R. First name is Justin.
Hey, what up, Matthew? What's up, Matthew? Hey, thank you for the follow, Sapphire. This is Polk County, Florida.
How you doing, Your Honor?
Good, and yourself, Mr. Ramsey?
I'm okay. I'd like to go home today.
Don't we
Yeah,
all?
you would. You were picked up on a no bond warrant from Judge Taylor. She requested a 5-day hearing be set. So we'll bring you back in front of Judge Kaler for that hearing on, it looks like tomorrow. You might have a chance of getting out here tomorrow, but today not so much. I will go ahead and appoint an attorney to represent you if you need to.
I
Bet you would.
JB is representing me through the public defender's office, and can I say that I thought this was supposed to be taken care of with time served to the state's attorneys, and it's supposed to, they offered time served on January 16th, I believe. They were offering that, so I don't know what happened.
I don't either, but you'll be back tomorrow. You'll find out then.
Okay, thank you.
Next up, we have last name Samoya with an S.
The judge is in a
First
separate
name
room.
Prince.
That is correct.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for that, Daily Heart. As soon as this court finishes, we're going to jump on over to another live
You are
court.
here on an order regarding pretrial release. No bond, Parker versus State. Hold, signed by Judge Mary Catherine Green. 25 MM 2652. So you be held without bond. Your attorney has previously been appointed.
Yes.
And I wish you the best of luck. Have a good day, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Next up, we have last name is Wade, first name Justin.
Wade Justice. Or Justin Wade.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You're into failure to appear for the arraignment warrants. Each one is a bond amount of $1,000. However, it appears you have an open bonded case in 2025, as well as a KPS. Well, that's one I'm back in.
Saludos from East LA. That's right, Hector 5150.
The two others were from.
Hey, thank you for the follow, Stacy and Mandy. Highly appreciate that. Don't forget to hit the follow button. It's free. It's free 99. Doesn't cost you anything, and I don't ask for any gifts, but I do ask for taps, follows, and shares. That's all free. Free 99. Free for you. Free for me. Don't be a Mr. Krabby Patty. Don't be a Scrooge McDuck.
Change that to $500.
Arriba El Salvador.
Violation.
¿Verdad que
With
sí,
regard
maje?
to the other open case, was that open before?
I love it. Free 99. Just sub. Hey, hey, Love Buck. Thank you. Highly appreciate that.
The 1595 or the 3?
The 3.
The 3.
Hey, what up, V? How's it going?
See, the information says the charge.
Hey, Haley, gracias for the follow. Angela, thank you.
2024. Information was filed January 14th, 2025.
Can I get a
See what it does if you're in
next?
new cases.
Denver, Colorado. Where's everybody tuning in from? What part of the country, the world?
New cases.
Anybody here from Antarctica, if
Yeah,
you
that's
will?
probably another question.
Yeah, we got Texas, Florida, North Carolina, Idaho, South Carolina. Is this public? Hell no. Hey, and just so you guys know, this is not a public feed. So if the cops come knocking, you guys are going to be held in accessory after the fact. So just get ready if they come knocking.
2025 is
The West Side, baby.
1583
Do people live in Antarctica?
and 1595.
UK gang.
So at that point, he would have been out of bond in case number.
We're all going to go to jail together.
Let me
Holland.
courtesy when he actually bonded in that.
La speech.
2025, yes.
Nuevo Mexico.
Bonded on 1/7.
All right, so he was out on bond before he picked up his new driving charges.
As well as with Judge Kaler. So with regard, both of those are booked those pretrial releases.
25, the 3 case number.
Yeah.
I think some people took off. The numbers went down to 500. Santa Fe, Nuevo Mexico. Hey, Joel, thank you for the follow. Miss Marty, thank you for the taps.
On the other one. Did you want to look at the other one as well?
Yeah.
Hey, thank you, Tracy.
Those are 2 we're here for bonds.
I was just double checking to be sure we're not the bond.
You're in violation.
It's just the 25 should go 3.
like, shit, hold on, let me get out of here.
Yes, just
Scary ass fools.
So that's the one you put in there. Thank you.
You had them on follow.
Yeah, I'm reporting the PD now. You have some help with this, sir, but you're gonna be unfortunately stuck for a little bit until you get in front of the judge that initially put you on that other. Is the other case perfect or is?
I'm in violation of Rule 5, not number 5.
Have him transported back for that court.
He will be. He's already
Whenever
set.
I was
Thank
in
you.
here,
Have a good
he
day.
actually
Wait,
bought.
I don't understand what's going on.
I appointed an attorney to help you. You set for MDOC on
Watch
Friday, I
His
think, correct?
ball.
Okay.
So do I not have a bond?
Not on the case that you were out on bond on when you picked up the new charge.
They're
Which
saying
is-
that my license is suspended, but my license that hasn't been suspended is still good. I check it every day, so I don't understand what's going on.
Why'd you do that?
They just came and picked me up and said I had a driving on a suspended license, but my license is good. And I know I had court coming up, I think on the 28th for something different, and I planned on going to that, but I didn't know that I was supposed to show up to a court for driving on a suspended license because, like I said, I check it every day and it says my license is good. Still to this day, I had my girlfriend check it earlier and it says it's valid. So I don't understand. And then they said I had a bond.
Well, that's certainly gonna be something you want to tell your attorney. And I did set bonds in the new cases, just the older one that you're off bond on.
Please get.
Have a good day, sir.
Hi.
The PD will be at sea.
500 per car.
Yeah, that's what they were in the on the warrant.
Otro corazón. Diles gracias.
Gracias.
She's your twin, G. No, cuidado. You're gonna drop it.
I can hear
The flash and poo.
All right, we're gonna switch over now. We're gonna switch over to Arizona now.
No, the fourth one on the list.
Well, are y'all still there?
Alicia Buchanan.
Well, they're muted, so.
She probably bonded.
What?
Or we.
You can send
Yeah.
her.
Speak like us?
What happened?
Do Arizona speak like us?
Yeah. All right.
2 hours. She's got your
There we are.
Thank you.
We're in Arizona
Sure
now.
about that. And then Paul Benas, will you please go